In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix issues when you're unable to join a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you're experiencing connectivity issues, sign-in problems, or encountering various other obstacles, we've got you covered. Let's get started by taking you through the essential steps you need to troubleshoot these issues effectively. First, we need to check our setup. Head over to Google Calendar. This is where you'll find your scheduled Google Meet links associated with your calendar events. Select the event that you are having trouble joining. Once you've clicked on the event, look for the option to Join with Google Meet. It should be displayed clearly within the meeting invitation. Go ahead and click on that link. At this point, if your connection is working smoothly, you should be entering the meeting room. If not, don't worry, we're going to go through all the steps to fix any potential problems. After attempting to join, you might need to click on Join Now to enter the meeting properly. If you encounter any error messages at this stage, like connection issues, the first thing to double-check is the connection link within your invitation. Make sure it's complete and accurate. Next, it's crucial to verify your internet connection. A poor internet connection can cause significant issues when joining or maintaining a stable connection in Google Meet. Switch to a more reliable network if needed or troubleshoot your current network setup. Sometimes, the issue stems from browser incompatibility. Make sure you are using a supported browser, such as Google Chrome. If there's any incompatibility, switching browsers might quickly solve the problem. Security software can also restrict access to Google Meet. Check any firewall or antivirus settings that might block the video call. Adjust settings to allow access if necessary. You might encounter a room is full message. This means the meeting has reached its maximum number of participants, and you'll have to wait until some people exit or communicate with the organizer to increase capacity. Sign-in issues can also prevent you from joining a meeting, so ensure you're signed into the correct Google account associated with your meeting invitation. Check if camera and microphone access is granted to your browser. Without these permissions, your ability to participate fully will be compromised. If you have trouble with screen sharing permissions, it's likely a settings issue within the meeting itself. Verify you have the necessary permissions granted by the meeting owner. Technical issues, such as extension interference, can also affect Google Meet. Disable unnecessary browser extensions or try using the incognito mode to see if it resolves any interruptions. Lastly, check to see if your camera and microphone are functioning properly, that you are using a device capable of handling video calls, and all your software is updated, including the browser app itself. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving most issues related to joining a Google Meet session. If problems persist, consider contacting Google Support for more in-depth assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you have smooth and hassle-free meetings in the future.